The Anatomy of a New Roof, a comprehensive breakdown series. A roof is more than just the shingles you see on top. It's a system designed to protect your home from the elements. One of the critical components of the system is the sheathing, also known as decking. Roof sheathing is the layer of material between the structural trusses and the roof covering, typically made of plywood or oriented strand board, OSB. This layer serves as the foundation for everything that goes on top. The sheathing ties the roof together, providing a solid base that helps distribute weight evenly and withstand external forces like wind, snow, and even the occasional tree branch. Without proper sheathing, your shingles or tiles wouldn't have a stable base, leading to loose, damaged, or missing roofing materials. Quality sheathing, when properly installed and maintained, helps prevent water from seeping into your home, protecting against leaks and mold growth. Good sheathing also plays a role in energy efficiency. It helps keep your home insulated, maintaining comfortable temperatures, and reducing energy costs. To ensure your roof lasts, it's crucial to use high-quality sheathing materials and professional installation. Regular inspections can help catch any issues early before they become major problems. Remember, a strong, well-installed roof starts with good sheathing. It's the foundation of your roof's durability and your home's protection.